Hey guys, what's up? It's Philip and let's convert any file into a PDF. You can convert Word, Excel, PowerPoint, images and other files to PDF. We'll use the PDF24 tools and you have a link in the description for faster access. So when you are on this website, you just click here, choose files. It's very simple. Select your file. For example, I have this Microsoft Word document, so I select it, click open. When the upload is complete, you can just click here, convert to PDF, wait for a few moments, and you can preview your new file, or you can download it here. Hit download, go to desktop, and if I go to my desktop, you can see over here that now I have this file converted to the PDF document. If I open it up, you can see it here. If you want to make your life easier, you can always check out this playlist with all the PDF tools that you can use for free.